Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying iPad OS 16 and device capability, because 3D effects require depth data. Next, open Settings, tap Wallpaper, then add New and pick a photo or live photo with depth. Once chosen, make sure Depth Effect or Perspective Zoom is enabled. This creates layered parallax. If your image lacks depth, use a portrait or a dual lens capture. Now press Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both to apply the base 3D wallpaper. Now refine the effect. Open Photos, tap Edit, then the Depth tool to move the focal plane and tune background blur. This alters perceived 3D layering. Once done, preview the lock screen and toggle perspective to observe motion when tilting. If your photo lacks real depth, use a third-party app to create a depth map and import it as a layered PNG or live photo. Make sure exported files keep alpha/depth channels, because iPad OS reads that data to produce convincing parallax. Finish by setting the edited photo as your wallpaper and test with swipe and tilt motions to confirm the 3D effect. If the depth effect doesn't appear, verify the image actually contains a depth map, ensure iPad OS 16 is up to date, and re-export the file preserving depth channels. Once done, restart the iPad and reapply the wallpaper. That often resolves rendering hiccups. If problems persist, recreate the depth map in a different app and repeat the export and set sequence to fix stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.